how Lithuanian singing sounds to a non-Lithuanian speaker.
Ever wondered how a song in your language sounds to those who don't understand it? Let's listen.
Truvinės paukas, fensterboken, garstik, torpel, vinto plasmor, delkit stamtruk, flamat, koltim sostov plontek, velnik, braskas torvel. Naskot fine, faste, diklen homos, tenfik, dolte dantok sten.
Yes, I know it doesn't sound like the actual language. That's because it's not. The channel's called Language Gibberish after all. But there'll always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what this language sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. Your comments really do make me feel psychic. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.